Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about option selling. Let's get with the basics. So this is NSA website. You can see the website here. We are going to do a case study on option chain. So first are call writers or sellers. If these positions are been added, they act as resistance and price will go down. If put writers or sellers have been added up in the market, they act as a support and prices will go up. If equally build up, then price will remain in the range. If we check today the major index, everything has given a sideways close, almost sideways to downtrend, and profit booking is seen in the major stocks. IV is slowly increasing. Okay, we'll start with Nifty. So this is Nifty 1 hour chart time frame. So you could see yesterday it was uptrend, today completely profit booking, hunting all the SL. So it was also a gap down. Okay, 26,000 was the open. So you could see. So this is an example of strong resistance. So it's profit for OTM and ITM in the resistance side because it is strong. Since the support is weak, it is negative for the OTM and ITM for the put side, which is acts as a support, which is very weak. Okay, so this is basically day 2. So yesterday was day 1, today day 2, Thursday. Okay, we'll move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, first half it was sideways, second half it was doing its profit booking. Okay, so let's see Bank Nifty. Open was, it was gap down indeed, and 5800 was the open. Okay, so here is 5800, which is acting as open. Then you check for OTM. Since you could clearly see here weak support because prices are going down and a strong resistance. Okay, so whenever it is a gap down situation, understand that support is going to become weak. That means negative for ITM and OTM for the put side, which is indicating that support is weak. Support weak means resistance becomes strong. So ITM has the max decay, so does the OTM also. You could clearly see from this time frame. Okay, now we'll go and discuss Midcap. Finnifty is your homework. Exactly similar way you are going to discuss the Midcap Nifty. So you could see clearly Midcap Nifty after the profit booking candle is trying to be in the uptrend. Open is 475, 13,475. Okay, so this is the open, and you could see OTM both. One is not having enough OI. Here OI is built up, and then you could see the decay was positive, and here also the OI is not so much very well built up. So since it is first week and the expiry for November is 25th, so we have 25 days more. So yeah, it is trying to slowly pick up. The OI is trying to pick up. Okay, now we'll go to the important part. That is the option chain. So first off, we'll check is Nifty. I'll take Nifty because side by side we'll do the straddle study also. So here Nifty, you could see the OI 11 and 5. So clearly call writers are more today. When you check for open, it's 26,000. So we'll click on the LTP to check how the performance was there. So you could see 146.80, and here so decay is good but a minimal decay. Okay, now we'll move on to Bank Nifty, BNF. So here BNF put short cover and call writing is happening. 81 and 114. Still put writers are more, but you should understand that the call writing is also slowly building up. Okay, and you check for open 5800. Let's see the straddle price action. So you could clearly see it was a positive decay. The last one is Midcap Nifty. When you check for Midcap Nifty OI 6 and 8, so as you could see, very small amount of OI is been building up that you can observe in change. So you could clearly see only in thousands they are adding, and a lot of profit booking is also happening. That's why it's not advisable to take any straddle positions here for the first week. So always mid cap. Week 3 and week 4 performance is much better when you compare to the early ones. Okay, so you could see it was a long straddle day. So that's it guys, thank you, keep supporting my channel.